West Garo Hills, Meghalaya, Tura. Wghd is the most significant post-harvest festival of the Garos, generally held in the month of October to November. It is Thanksgiving ceremony to Mrs. Saljong, also known as Patik Ba Rarongapa, the Great Giver, for having blessed the human beings with rich harvest of the season. A day ahead of Wghd, a ritual called a Rugala is performed by the Nokma, a village Sikh. The festival has been practiced traditionally by the Garos since time immemorial. It is performed annually in almost all the villages of Garo Hills, but the time and the dates of celebration vary from village to village. Napa'a. This is an act of the Achak tribe to show that they have all gathered around the Nokma's estate to merely dance for the Wghd. In this dance act, the dancers gracefully greet and welcome everyone present in the Wghd. Sararoa. In this dance act of Sararoa, the Nokma or the chief and the Kamal or the priest lead to the dancers to his courtyard, and then merely they dance together. Ajemaroa. This act is a folklore that our forefathers has followed these dance steps from the bird called Ajema Dosima, and we are still preserving and following by practicing it till date. Of Migea, the dancers imitate the Achak plantation in the jung field. Makrerka. In this dance act of the Makrerka, the dancers imitate the chasing of monkeys that comes to destroy the crops from the jung field. In this dance act of Miyaka, the troupe imitate the harvesting of rice from the field. Mirama. In this dance act of Mirama, the troupe imitate the drying of rice that the Achak normally does before pounding of rice. Chukana. In this dance act of Chukana, or offering of rice beer, the girl dancers bring pongs of rock ladles filled with rice beer and offer it to her dance partner. This is the imitation of offering rice beer by the girls to the boys. Khubor. This is the dance act where girl dancers gracefully dance and move on acting as if cutting down the turban from their partner's head, where their dance partner will move their head aside as if they were denying the cutting down the object from their head. In this dance act of jong, the girl dancers gracefully imitate the crawl of insects. In this dance act of Khubor, the girl dancers gracefully dance around one another as if to measure their statures against those of one another. In this dance act of Wghd, both the boys and girls dancers merely perform in lowering cocktails plums by bowing towards one another. In this dance act of the boy dancers dance by carrying damas as if protecting the women from all evils. Bonkame Salamha or goodbye. The end of one gala, the dancers separate and therefore they greet everyone for the last time. Thank you, Matilla.